Hi guys, it's Moz here for Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this North American P51D Mustang that I got in my latest mystery box from Airfix. And watch to the end of this video because you could win this kit because I'm giving it away. So if you watched my last video, which was the mystery box, you would have known that I had gained 2 of these. And I said that I was going to give one of them away. And so I thought what I'll do is I'll do an unboxing and a review, and you will get this kit if you are a winner. I'm going to give it away. So at the end of the video, I'm going to explain how you can win this kit if you so want it. It's open to around the world. I'll ship anywhere around the world. But the further you are away from the UK, the longer it's going to be. So you may end up. So if you lived in New Zealand, you may find it won't get there till end of Christmas, New Year. So, but I will announce the winners after I've done every single video. But this is number 1 of the giveaways, and it is the Airfix North American P51D Mustang. Now, Airfix have had a history with this kit because they first released a version of this kit back in 1958. And then they brought out a new tool in 1974. Okay, so brand new tool. But 4 years later, they retooled it again in 1978. And that was it then, really. They continued with that same kit until they released this version here in 2012. And this has been released a few times in different shapes and sizes. It was released with, you know, as a model set in 2014 after the initial release in 2012. Then it was released again in 2016, 2017, 2018, 2020 they had new decals in that one. And then this one here is the model set, which was released in 2021. And I know that they have sold it as a starter set from Lidl. I've seen them in Lidl. Okay, never seen them in Audi, but I've seen them in Lidl. I think it was last year. But anyway, so there's some of the history of that tooling. I'm not going to go too much into it. So really what I want to do is get opening the box so you can see what you get. So on the front, you've got some nice box art there by A2B. Really nice. And side of the box here, you've got your warnings as per normal. On the side, you've got the box art and the kit as well. Also, the code is A01004. Side of the box, it just tells you that it's 136 millimeters by 157 millimeters, and you get 53 pieces. A little bit of information there. And this one here, the decal scheme says flown by First Lieutenant Spurgeon Ellington, 100th Fighter Squadron, Italy, December 1944. Okay, so that's the one you got, and it's got lollipop at the side, not lollipop, but it's lollipop, which I thought was quite cool. On the back of the box, you have the call out, just telling you what paints you need. So you're going to be needing an 11, which is silver, 24 matte yellow, 33 matte black, 53 gunmetal, 153 insignia red, and 155 olive drab. So you're going to have that. All right. So let's have a look at the box inside. Open the side here, pull it out. Obviously, all you're going to be getting is a bag of sprues and some instructions, and hopefully inside the instructions will be the decal sheet, which is quite substantial actually, of the decals you're going to be getting for this kit. So even though it is a skill level 1 and it does come with 1 flying hour, skill level 1, there's a lot of decals there for a skill level 1, I think. So there you go, really crisp. Obviously it's going to be the decals will be made by Cartograph, so they're going to look good. All right, so you've got a nice nice cockpit display up there, and all the little bits along the side, your lollipop there, a couple of United States stars there, stars and stripes, whatever you call them, and there's the number 10 there. Brilliant, excellent. So there's that. You're going to get that if you win this kit. Inside the instructions, This one is a 3-page fold out. So instructions as per normal with Airfix. You start with the cockpit all the way through. Then propellers put together. It's ready to paint. 2 fuselage halves go together, and having the cockpit right in the middle there, and then hopefully, and also with the propeller as well, you want that straight to the front because it all slots together nicely. I think that's an air intake there going in. Wings, bottom part of the wing is quite full, and then you have the two afts on the top. Also, that's where there's little holes there for your drop tanks. Then it kind of slides in underneath like the air intake there. On the back then, you've got your stabilizers and your rudder, your tail bits. That's all complete. Moving on, some flaps there on the actual wings itself, and you can position these wherever you want. They're positionable, which is a nice touch on this one. Again, some more there with the isn't that the air intake there? Just having a quick look. But moving on through, then you can either decide if you have the gearing up or gearing down. The wheels there, gearing, so 3-piece gearing there, and you do that twice, left and right. And then it shows you the angles as well. Put them in, so you want them basically pivoting down there. It's quite a nice little detail there. There's your drop tanks there, 2-part drop tanks fitted in there, and then you have your canopy, and then you can paint your pilot figure. So it comes with a pilot, and you can either have the canopy open or closed. All right, just there. Brilliant. And on the back here, you've got your call out here for your decals, telling you where all the decals are. There's quite a lot to do on this one. There's 4 sets here to go just on the propeller alone, so you can see the detail that you get in this kit. Right, that's a quick one. I just want to quickly open the bag. Let's open the bag. Brilliant. So you get, it's only 2 sprues in this one. Really, really quickly. Just having a quick look there. Can you see that? Very nice. There's the propeller there. There's your drop tanks. There's your radiator there. Your 2 little wheels, which look quite nice actually, quite dandy there. Some nice detail on the fuel. It's only a small plane, by the way. Okay, it's only small. And there's your flaps there. There's your stabilizers there for the back. Moving through, very nice indeed. Cockpit there at the front. A little bit of detail on the cockpit already. Just trying to see where the seat is. There's the seat there. So yeah, not too bad. Just trying to find the pilot. That must be on the other one. We'll take this one off then to the pilot. Pilot there in twerking zone. Twerk, twerk, twerk. There you go. And then there's your 3-piece wing there. Nice and easy to build. Nice and easy to build. Rudder. That's your is that called a canopy housing, where the canopy goes on top? Can you let me know in the comments what that piece is called? I don't know. There's your dash there for the cockpit. There's some nice manifolds there. Manifold exhaust, brilliant. And I think we're pretty much done. Very, very nice. And then just quickly look at the glass. There should only be very, very small bits of glass. You've got a choice there of glass there. Can you see that? One's got more of a bubble than the other, I think. They're not the same. And then you've got the visor there. Okay. And there's some little bits there, is there? I think that's some sort of, that goes in the cockpit somewhere, I think. And then you've got your landing glass. I presume that's a landing glass there. Not that I know, just quickly just checking. So there you are. That is, that's the kit unboxed. So, how do you win this kit? Well, I've been trying to think of a way of doing it, and the only way I can think of doing it is by, I'm going to use Twitter this time. So, as you know, I've got a Twitter account, Moz6510 Models. Go onto Twitter, and then, if you can, use the hashtag code that is going to appear somewhere in this video. You may have to go back and watch the video again to see it pop up somewhere. And then I want you to hashtag that code into Twitter. Then what I will do is I will then search Twitter at the end of play of this of next week. I'll put the end. I'll put the closing date in the description. Okay, so And so if you watch this video after that fact, then you won't win the competition, because the competition would have closed. But yeah, go onto Twitter, find the code, it's a hashtag in the video, and then post that onto Twitter. And then what I'll do is I'll do a search for that hashtag, and I will pick a winner. Also, there'll be some runner-up prizes of the stickers, and also I do have some Moz 6510 model patches on order, like this, okay? And you could win one of these as well. But basically the winner of the kit will receive one of these stickers, a woven patch, and the kit itself. And I'll be doing the 3 of these, because there's this one, and then I will be doing the Bolton Port Defiant Mark 1. That's coming. I'm going to do a box review of that, and that'll be a prize as well. And then the big prize is this one, and I think and I'll choose a different platform for you to win this. All right, so there you go. That's it. There's the competition, and hopefully you'll be a lucky winner. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And remember, to subscribe to this channel is completely free. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.